So to set up Siri, it's really easy. We're gonna get that started. So, oh, and by the way, if you guys don't want to import personal information, again, set up later in settings. But we're gonna assume that you guys do want to, so going to continue. Your default voice for Siri. I like number 4.
The colors of the sky.
Choose whichever one you want. Press continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And there we go, Siri is ready. All I had to do was read whatever it said there. Continue on. You guys can share these recordings with Apple, by the way, by Siri. But at the same time, if you guys want more privacy, don't. I like to share so they improve things. Emergency, yeah, you just press continue on. Then you're pretty much done. Welcome to phone. So this is your new iPhone. These are all the apps that you guys get. You guys don't get any more apps. These are your standard apps. If you scroll through, you're gonna see them. So there's some in here. And here you go, even more apps. So scroll down, and there you go. That's all the apps you guys have on your phone. If you guys want to download more, App Store. A lot of people do ask me, is like Twitter, Facebook, all that stuff. Oh, yeah, it's not even called Twitter anymore. But anyways, is all that stuff, like Instagram, also free on phone, on iPhones than Androids. Yeah, it's all the same thing. All social media is completely free. So go on and download it from the App Store. Something I do recommend going into is your settings, now that you're all done. General, and just making sure that you're all up to date. So here you go. You should be up to date, but just in case, run any updates if they need to. Those are widgets up there, by the way. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.